Mothers are the precious gift of God to mankind, and they have lived up to the responsibility of nurturing and raising godly children. This was depicted in the celebration at St. Paul's Anglican Church, Apori Settlement, Abuja. Charles Philip Uwakolam reports.
Mother's Day and Mothering Sunday in the Anglican Church is about celebrating unique nature of women as precious gifts of God to man. Here at St. Paul's Anglican Church, Apori Settlement, Abuja, the women gave the congregation an insight into the journey to motherhood.
Fair lady, beautiful and blonde, that joy of labor, her strength is unmatched. The power to multitask, she wears as a crown.
During sermon, women were reminded that nurturing children is a priority not to overlook.
If your daughter turns out exactly like you, will you be happy? If your son turns out to be your product, your mirror image, will you be happy? The fact that Timothy's son started at home, he didn't start in Sunday school. The upbringing of Timothy was not suited to the church. You know now, several of us mothers are very busy. But you will find out that grandmother Lawrence and mother Denise, they were not people to leave the upbringing of Timothy to someone else.
On this special day, Vicar's wife and others feel mother's role in the society can't be overemphasized.
When we have great time to study this word and digest it and impact it in our children, we see it bear fruit. We have to be persistent in teaching them until it bears fruit in their lives.
Our mothers are happy because we are mothers, we have children at home. We have good husbands. And we have girls that also celebrate us as mothers. Those girls are mothers in making.
We need to celebrate our mothers. First of all, we need to celebrate ourselves and also celebrate our mothers, wherever they are.
Mothers are very, very good. They are wonderful people. They are a different set of people. So I want to congratulate them for everything they've been in the family.
God Almighty will continue to touch our youth so that they will listen to us. Our own is to show them the way. No mother that loves her children that will mislead the children.
Other highlights include student presentation and Thanksgiving by the women. Charles Philip Uwakolam, ACNN News.